Review of Kaveri Seeds. There are very few seeds companies in the market, and Kaveri is one among them. Let's look at the rankings for the stock. Earnings rank is at 87.4, very good ranking. Any stock that is having above 80 ranking is qualified for a buy, while that should also get supported from the price. Whereas here price rank is at 43.5. That is about 55 or 56 percentage of companies from the track list that we have, which has around 740 stocks, are good in the market compared to Kaveri Seeds on the price of the stock. Let's look at the price rank chart. 6 months back, Kaveri Seeds had a ranking at 85.6. It had a steady decline and reached 43.5 in 6 months. Significant downside move. Looks like it has just slipped and fallen down. That's why we put this image here. This guy just slips on the staircase and right hits on the floor. There is some serious problem in the company. In spite of having such a big earnings rank, if price is not supporting, it can be due to some unwanted things in the balance sheet which the market is not accepting. That can be one of the reasons. We don't confirm that. It can be a reason. Otherwise, when earnings rank is good, price rank will soon catch up. It will not stay low like this for 6 months. Peer group, there were no stocks available to do a peer group study for Kaveri Seeds. So only EBITDA growth we have seen. EBITDA growth on quarterly, 2018 September, the stock had minus 32 or 33% EBITDA growth. It had stayed there for about a year and then took a very big dip, went to minus 700%. Something went seriously wrong with the company. It took a big hit on its profits. Or maybe I think it should have gone negative also. That's why it's gone to minus 700%. Then afterwards, steep recovery, which has been holding on for 2 quarters. At the right edge on September 20 quarterly, EBITDA growth is 69%. Very good. While that dip might have brought in confusion with the investors, probably this either it is upside or downside, peak or valley, people don't like it. That's what has been or maybe holding on to the stock on its price. Coming to trailing 12-month EBITDA growth, September 2018, Kaveri Seeds had a EBITDA growth of 4.45%. Slowly, steadily, it is increased and reached 39.66. Fantastic EBITDA growth. After this, there is something wrong that has happened. Let's look at the business growth. So, EBITDA growth is just the profits on sales and expenses, taking away all other expenses on the business. Straight away on their core business activity, between sales, factoring in the expenses, what is the profit they are making. That is what we saw in EBITDA. Coming to business growth, it is net profit, where interest, depreciation, all other expenses are factored in. This can have a different picture. So here in March 18, December 17, March 18, stock had a very good upside, about 170% growth on profit. Afterwards, it had a steady decline, took support in March 19 results. After that, it started going up too. Profit is going up, sales also slowly inching up, margin holding on at same levels. While as the company is making all the efforts to push the profits, looks like if it continues to do the same, stock can have some rally. As of now, stock is having some challenge. Coming to the investors, FIIs were the smartest in the stock. They just hopped out of the stock at the right time. When the stock has been declining, they are out. That's what is the beauty of this smart investors. They get in at the right time and get out at the right time also, thereby booking the best of cream of the run. They will make us their profits. Retail started buying the stock post-COVID. Probably they have again come in because of the lower price, keeping the old history of this stock, which was very good about 2-3 years back. Maybe that has prompted the retail investors to buy the stock, and they have been losing. Their optimism is getting failed, and others are not interested. Coming to the charts, I have clipped 3 years of monthly chart. Beyond that, also the stock is not trending. I put a big red arrow there showing that the stock has been not trending for 3 years. Even if we take 4 years also, it's not trending. Such long period, non-trending itself is a very confused state. It will keep going up and down, creating losses to investors. We can see here the stock has been going nowhere. It goes up, again comes down, again goes up, comes down. It even breaches the previous lows, then afterwards turns back, goes up to breach the previous highs, again coils back. This is not at all a good sign. It will only eat up capital. Coming to the weekly, same thing gets replicated. When the higher time frame is not trending, lower time frame will kill investors. That's what we are seeing here. Every up and down move, all the breakouts are getting failed. When higher time frame is not trending, breakouts will not work. At the right edge also, there was one big downside move and a subsequent recovery. Even there, the stock was not able to sustain that. It dropped again. Looks like it needs a real long wait. That's why I put this multiple zeros on long. It's better to stay away from this stock. If suppose somebody has a conviction to buy this stock, do your studies, get to know what are the risks that is there, how long you have to hold on to your patience, and if you have to make money. Because I remember we had this stock coming in the ranking tables in 2013-14. At that time, the stock gave a fantastic move and huge profits that time. After that, it's kind of stayed low. Don't know what is the reason. So all the views shared are thoughts and ideas on the stock markets from our side. There are no recommendations given to buy or sell any stock. There is some kind of euphoria on Kaveri Seeds in the market between investors. Need to be very careful. The stock is not doing well. Thank you.